Morning, everyone. So yesterday I took a ride out to Bridlington in the Z. It was a really, really good day, except we hit some problems. So the front splitter actually got ripped off. We parked in the harbour. Now, if you know Bridlington, you'll notice that the harbour's very old stone cobbles, and the car went down a bit, and the splitter caught one of the little cobbles. So it ripped off at one side. I've got a picture to show you that. And anyway, so we had to rip it off because we didn't have any tools. So we had to rip the splitter off, but we could only get most of it off. There was still a little bit left on one of the corners. Um, we did it as safe as we could. As we were driving back to my friend's caravan, we turned a corner and the the part which were left from the splitter had moved and it locked the front wheel up. It caught the wheel, locked it up, and it caused the car to, like, well, go to the left. So it went to the left, which caused the back end to come out, and then I managed to correct it, but at that point it was a bit too late. We'd hit a curb sideways, kind of. I think I have got footage of it. Um, there is damage to the body and underneath the car. To be honest, it's not as bad as it could have been. There was a wall there, so it could have been 10 times worse. So we got very, very lucky. We did drive it back to the caravan, and then we made the decision that it was unsafe to drive. It really, really was unsafe. So luckily, Outlaw Customs came. I rang them at 6, and they came as quick as they could and picked me up from Bridlington and dropped me off at home with the car. Yeah, you can't get any better than that, to be honest. Um, but anyway, I'll show you what the damage and everything is under the car now. Alright, so first things first, you can see the rear alloy is absolutely trashed. Amazing. And then you can also see that there is major positive camber, all because if you can see it, you can see the arm is bent. That's a control arm. So that is the problem with that side. And then if I come over to this side, you can see the wheel's been pushed back slightly. The bodywork is there. If I go under, you can see this control arm is bent, with the possibility that the traction rod is also bent. But I need to have a look at that. So that's the issues. That the alloy is also very much shot all the way around, absolutely knackered. As you can see, there's hardly any gap in there, and loads of gap in there. This is the reason. Oh, it's come off. This had more on it. It twisted round instead of being there because we had to rip. Like I said, we had to rip this off. It twisted round, hit the wheel somehow. It must have been that side. But it twisted round, hit the wheel, locked it up. The back spun out that way, corrected it, went sideways into the curb. In here, that just needs tightening up. But these bolts, if you can see, have come through the bumper. That should be an easy fix. As you can see, it's just a bit hanging. And obviously splitter isn't there anymore. So that's the damage. You can see it better there. So what more is there to say, to be honest?